Hi guys, I have an older log for you today. This is an EVVA, quite an old EVVA. You can see it's written made in Austria, and but judging by the logo of EVVA, this is at least 30, 40, maybe 50 years old. Here you can read the Österreichische Patentnummer, the Austrian patent number for the EVVA log. And yeah, the keyway is one of the more generic ones that EVVA has, quite old. That's the key bitting is quite okay. Still original, works quite well. Interesting fact about these type of EVVA logs, they always open clockwise. So yeah, that's curious, at least what I can, for me. Works very well. The guy that I got it from actually has taken really good care of this lock. So let's have a look if I could get into this. So 5 gave me a click. Okay, I think that was the set. 3 and 4 giving clicks, 2 seems to be binding. Okay, he gave a click, even the core moved a little bit. So let's go back. I think that's 4. One is not binding, 2 not binding, 3 however. Definitely dropped something. Let's recalk it. I think I've lost something. Maybe something is overset. So starting from the back again, 5. Then 2 is the next binder, and we have a small full set. Let's see number 1. No, I think number 1 is not. Number 3 is giving counter rotation. Okay, 1 and 2 seem to be set. Let's see, number 3 is definitely binding. Gives a counter rotation. Ah, there we go. Ah, okay. That was a surprise. Cool. So this opened the lock. Cool. Okay, well, that's it for this EVVA lock here. It's even a little bit oily and rusty, but yeah, that's a very nice lock. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate it, and hopefully I will see you again in the next video. Bye!